Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you my Dollar Tree haul. These are the items, well mainly most of the items that I will be using for the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge that is hosted by Jessica at Paper Terrace. And there's also some other items that I bought for other journals that I'm working on, but I wanted to show you the things I bought in my shop with me. If you haven't seen that video, that was the one previous to this. I'll put a link for it in the iCards or at the end of the video. And then also I'm going to show you the other items that I purchased previous at Dollar Tree, or that I had in my stash that was Dollar Tree, that I will be using along with these items for that challenge. If you do not know about her Dollar Tree challenge, she hosted one a few years back. I participated in it and made my first junk journal ever, and ever since I have been hooked on making them. And so I was super excited when she decided to do it again. Very casual this time. She, is just going to, she said it's like no strict rules or anything. Try and keep it at 20 or less, and yeah, and she'll just mention people that are working on them. And if you happen to make one, you need to post it either in her Facebook group, or I guess you can on Instagram. I think she's on Instagram. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and I'll show you what I'm going to be using. All these fun things. If you can't tell what my theme is going to be, it is lemons. I'm really into the lemon theme right now. It's super fun for summer, and they just happen to have a bunch of items that will go well in a journal. So I'll just start over here on the right and work my way over. I found some yellow yarn, and I found this towel. It has lemons on it, so I'm going to cut the towel up. I think it's double-sided. Yeah, double-sided, so I can use both sides for that. The next thing I picked up were these wood beads. I'm going to use the yellow ones, obviously, and maybe that twine or whatever that is in there, unless it's elastic. I won't use that. So, and then I've picked up some paint. This is the Crayola washable. I was looking for the premium acrylic that they have. It's called Crafticality, but they didn't have it in yellow. So I'm going to try this out. I also picked up this glitter glue, and I'm going to use these both to make my papers. Like, I picked up the white drawing pad, so I'm going to play around with this stuff to see what I can come up with as far as different kinds of papers. I'm also going to use this paper and do some coffee dyeing with it. I found this. These were in the picture frame section, so I thought that was really cool. I'll take it out and just use the image in there. I found some lemon crown jewel list pad, little memo pad. I thought that was really cute. Can use these just as is to stick in the journal for journaling, or I can cut them apart to make tucks or embellishments, whatever. I found some pot holders, so I'm going to use this somehow on the book. I'm not sure if it'll be on the cover or just to make a pocket inside, or I can just cut the lemons out. I'm not sure. I found this really cool coloring book called Tropical Escape. It's also a Crown Jewels brand, but it has a lot of fun fruit patterns in here. So yeah, that's cool. I have this yellow pack of yellow file folders. I can use these lots of different ways. Just as paper, I can make pockets. I can make the cover out of them, tags, whatever. These stickers here, these are really pretty. I just thought the color, the yellow in there would just go perfect with this journal. I also picked up a set of 6 invitations. I love the colors on here. There's 6 in there, so I can cut out these. I can just use them to make tags. I can also use the envelopes to make pockets. So perfect. And then the set of 10 treat bags, and they're the lunch sack style. But I just love that color yellow. I picked up this ribbon. It has some yellows and greens in there that I thought would go really well. They didn't have any plain yellow, but I did go in my stash and I found two yellows that I picked up at the Dollar Tree previous that are, one is a sparkle, this one's just a grosgrain with a scallop on the edge, and then I pulled out the lace that everybody uses from the Dollar Tree, at least a lot of them that I watch. They didn't have any of the colored paper clips that I like to use to make altered paper clips with, so I picked up these clothespins. I'm going to paint them yellow, or I could just leave them plain, whatever, and then just kind of alter them, maybe cut out a little lemon and glue it on there or whatever. That'll be cool to just clip little things throughout the journal. And then I found these really cool wood stickers. They had the lemon slices, so that's cool. And then I picked up some crepe paper streamers, the yellow, to make ruffles and embellishments and things like that. A couple of items that I picked up for my bee journals that I'm working on right now. I picked up two of these because I'm making 2 bee journals, but they were in with the other lemon frame that I showed you, so I thought that was really pretty. And then I picked up these favorite boxes. So this is more of a golden yellow, that's why I picked this up. And these are actually more like a thicker lunch sack. As far as the thickness goes, it's not a hard like popcorn box sort of thing. So they actually work really well. I took one, the way I've used it so far is I took one of them and I cut it right down the center and down through there, and it just makes the perfect little pocket that you can put on a page. So that's what I did for my bee journal. And then some other items that I already had in my stash. I showed you the ribbons, but I had found this in my last haul, the last haul that I showed you from Crafter Square. I had picked this up for the bee journals, but the color didn't go well, and I found some other fabric at Joann's that I wanted to use for that, but this will go perfect for the lemons. And then I have a package of these colored note cards or index cards, and so I'll use the yellow, and probably the green would go well too. I have these jot sticky notes, and then I have the lined legal pad, it's yellow. And then I also have the manuscript tablet that I use a lot in my journals. So those are the things I will use in my lemon journal for the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge. So hopefully you will follow along with this mini series, and I will be doing another video of starting with my pages and then going into the making of paper and making my cover and everything. So if you'd like to see the process of everything of how I make my journal, go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and hopefully I will see you the next time. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.